Good morning everyone. We are going to discuss about currency futures. Currency futures, also known as FX futures or a foreign exchange futures. The first currency future contract was created at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange in 1972 after the fixed exchange rate system and the gold standard were discarded. Currency futures were first created in 1970 at the International Commercial Exchange in New York, but the contract did not take off because the Bretton Woods system was still in effect on 15 August 1971. The President Richard Nixon abandoned both the gold standard and the system of fixed exchange rates. Some commodity traders at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange did not have access to the interbank exchange markets in the early 1970s, when they believed that significant changes were about to take place in the currency market. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange established the international monetary market and launched trading in seven currency futures on 16 May 1972, and it is the largest market for currency futures in the world today. Next, what is currency futures? Currency futures are contract to buy or sell one currency against another at a specified price and date in the future. In another way, we can say currency future contracts to buy or sell a specified amount of a particular currency at a set price and date in the future. Next point, the rate for currency futures contract is derived from spot rates of the currency pair. That means currency futures are transferable future contract that specify the price at which a currency can be bought or sold at a future date. Next point, currency futures contract allow investors to hedge against foreign exchange risk. If an investor will receive a cash flow denominated in a foreign currency on some future date, that investors can lock in the current exchange rate by entering into an offsetting currency futures position that expires on the date of the cash flow. And next point, currency futures are marked to market daily. This means traders are responsible for having enough capital in their account to cover margins and losses which result after taking the position. And next point, futures traders can exceed their obligation to buy or sell the currency prior to contract delivery date. This is done by the closing out of the position with the currency futures. Next point, the price of currency futures are determined when the trade is initiated. Just as it is in the foreign exchange market only, and the currency pair is exchanged on the delivery date, which is usually sometime in the distant future. The daily loss or gain on a future contract is reflected in the trading account. Trading account is the difference between entry price and the current future price multiplied by the contract unit. The most participants in the future markets are speculators who usually close out their position before the date of settlement. They do not end up delivering the physical currency, rather they make or lose money based on the price change in the future contract themselves. Most contracts do not tend to last until the date of delivery. And the last point, a wide variety of currency futures contracts are available, from the popular contracts such as Euro Dollar currency future contract. That's all my topic. Thank you.